Okay, so good evening, guys. So today we are going to discuss about our case study projects. So already what we have, you implemented these projects in design thinking concepts also. Just we have the quick discussion how we were implementing these projects. So at first, Sridhar is going to explain this project. Okay.
So this project is basically about meal planners for those who are going to gyms.
Meal planners.
Yes. I have trained that model for several gym concepts like calorie deficit and over calorie intake. That means if someone is trying to reduce their weight, they will consume something that is required lesser than their total body calories. So that over a period of time, the calorie based on the calories, his body weight will get reduced. Also for gaining weights, we are increasing the amount of calories that we intake. That is the whole concept for this.
So how you were computing the particular person needs that much of calorie per day?
So we are giving the input for height and weight, so that it will calculate the BMI.
Okay.
Based on the BMI, if it says it is the correct amount, then we are going to give the same calorie amount. So if he is considered as obese, we are going to give something that is calorie deficit.
Right. Okay. So explain your code, ma. And then
So this is the code. Basically, I am using Collab ideally for this project.
Okay.
For just to check whether we are using Collab, so that the syntax will work correctly for Collab, or else it will work for other platforms.
Okay. And then, so how will you connect these things with your Hugging Face?
Sir, I am giving my model name, and there is the model laid out everything that is pre-trained with it, and I gave the new data for it.
Okay. Okay. So how many data set you have for your to keep your accuracy? So how many rows of the data? Either you put the data in that Excel sheet, or you are using some other database systems.
Sir, I already uploaded it in Hugging Face dataset also. I called the dataset from Hugging Face.
How many parameters is there? How many data is there?
There is two parameters. One is the input and the other one is the output, and I have totally around 10,000 rows of data.
10,000 rows of the data you have.
Yes, sir. For each line, I will be giving some amount of height and weight so that it can calculate the BMI, and it will make a meal plan for it.
So do you have that separate gender specific planner?
So for now there is no gender specific. So for now there is only based on the BMI.
BMI and then so height and weight.
Yes.
There is no classification for
no
male and female.
Yes,
right.
Basically, training period only differs for the male and female. Sir. The intake might not differ as much.
Okay.
But considering the pregnancy and that, we need to make the model more accurate for that.
So did you specify that any age factor for that the age of the 20, and then what will be the age for the 30, and then what will be the age of the 45?
The meals planned are based on age only. Sir. It will be apt for every age that it will work. Most probably everyone can have oats and something like this. Any age sector can have. So the meals are planned basically that is generalized for all ages.
Okay. So did you include that is any design thinking concepts for your development of your project or this assignment?
Firstly, we are empathizing the whole thing. The apps that we are having now doesn't gives correctly the meal plan for the whole day. Sir. We can just calculate the calories that we are consuming. We are the one who are going to give the food that we are providing, that we are consuming. We are going to produce it to the app, then that app will calculate the whole thing. But it will not make a plan for us. We are creating a platform that can create a whole plan for the day, so that we just don't need to sit and calculate the whole calories for every time.
Right. Okay. Right. So will you able to run this code now?
This is the input I gave for the model.
Okay.
Where I asked directly for a calorie deficit plan. Basically, I am considering me as the user. My height is 175 and my weight is